Yeah, that's terrible. Eh. Yeah, confusing and it's very annoying. So I'm asking this one how to spell that. Bengibona usuvelesa last week ngaza after umsebenzi ngakutshela ngambonisa ithu I'll show you too. I'll show you as well. Ayihambe kamnandi. I even made friends. I was good. I was so good. I'm not gonna lie. It was so good. I had fun. At least in going one piece, I didn't die. Now I'm trying to plan my next one. Oh. I wanna see if I can go. December. I'm gonna have a hello and actually because I was putting this off for so long. So and plus my birthday, our birthdays are in Jan. So it's probably we'll do something for our birthdays, but I want to see if I can do something, whether I'll be on leave or not. But at least then it's all after my birthday. Just again, go back to normal.
Yeah, I remember this one.
Yes, I only one. Who told me I have tomorrow? You're right. No one told me. So I can't be thinking that I have tomorrow guaranteed, right? So yeah, might as well just get it done, get it sorted, hand the set from there. Bengihleka mangibona le fiber le uyitholile ngoba I'm thinking to myself ukuthi that's the fiber that I had initially. So hence I went around this time.
It was, I saw the maroon, then I was like,
I don't know who
is she going to like, let me just take this one because this is exactly what I saw in the picture she showed me last time.
Yes, it was.
I even told her. I saw it with this. So rather than touching this one, I don't know today was like turned.
Not true. I understand. I was so happy. I was just laughing, thinking full cycle back to where I started. Because I was like, okay, since it will be my second one, I think it'll be my second one. Then a brown one. Oh, I keep brown. Sounds like it's fine. It's actually hard to find, né?
Yeah.
It's hard to find.
Yeah. So I was like,
and then you just take something that would be no so at least it worked. It worked. So we shall see. We shall see. Can I hold this short? I'm in love with it. I'm in love with it. It looks a lot healthier. I do. You know, it was worth my tears. I was so sad. Rich was crazy. I was sad.
And the guy been carrying the really for long, like in rose.
Nah, I can see it's very strong, especially under the ends, because the split ends were really, really bad. looking at the folders. Who knows? But I still want to keep growing it. Keep growing and growing. I think I need to be more diligent in the way I'm going spawn. That MPL. It's been responding well to it. I'm a hair food I got cool, to be honest. And even with the last ones we did, being a bigger cool. Big sense is spray cool because I'm usually trying to take care of lap and level. But I think it's responding well, Shem. I will keeping on. So in a year where we will be. But also, I think it's also helpful because I've been coming to you now for a while. So it's helpful to stick into one person, whereas at other places you end up with whoever's available. Yeah, well, I love when Sarah the good fight. That's better, a lot better. Say cheese. Yeah. Wouldn't you but it's better, ne?
It's better.
It's a lot better. I'm actually happier because I was sad. Yeah, just be very flat, eh? We got healthy hair, y'all.
She's 15 minutes later as she's 15 minutes. 18 minutes and you are now 15. And you are now 8. This wedding is cut. Namhlanje? Yeah, cut. Sunday namhlanje. It's Sunday. Ngiyamkhathile kusasa. Manje ngoba sasa usiyafuza. Hayi anina. Ujule. Ubuzo kanje phela. Nalo yami mama.
Never kidding me.
There are some of us who see one. Yenza uyabona leyana bathi the queens of
Who is this girl? Thanks, Hilda. That was good. I'm going to Hilda. We are done. We are going home. Bye.
that is most certainly his voice, right? No doubt about it. But a lot of the stuff is not something we ain't hear already.
So that's not true.
Hell no.
Well, then I apologize. Because I assume. I'm really not sure what to believe right now. How can you say that that's Mendici's voice, but then say that the Tasha K allegation posts aren't true? It just doesn't make sense.
What's up?